Are you looking for the perfect solar lights this spring and summer? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Elan solar rope festoon lights. Let's get into it. The Elan solar rope festoon lights come as a set of 15 bulbs on a 4-metre string, with an additional 2 metres of rope from the solar panel for flexible placement. The bulbs are spaced 28 centimetres apart and emit a warm white glow that runs through the bulbs and the ropes of the festoons. These bulbs come in elegant pastel colours including baby blue, duck egg blue, cream and pink. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the lights, the solar panel, the stake and wall mount, the fixing kit, the instructions, and finally we have the remote. The first thing you're going to want to do is unravel the lights and attach them to the solar panel. You can choose how you want to position your solar panel. It's essential that you choose a sunny spot so it can soak up all those solar rays in the day, ready to glow at night. You can choose whether you want to stake your panel into soft ground or mount it to a wall or a fence. These lights are particularly user friendly because they include a remote control. This is how you're going to make use of all those different lighting settings which these lights include. There are 8 different lighting modes with these lights. Let's take a look. We have combination, twinkle, sequential, pulsing, flash, slow glow, chasing stroke flash and static. You can also use this remote to set up different timers. You can choose between 3-hour, 5-hour or 8-hour timers. You can also adjust the brightness of these lights by pressing the plus and minus buttons on the remote accordingly. Before you use this remote for the first time, you're going to need to remove the battery separator from the remote. Alternatively, you can control the different lighting modes by using the mode button on the back of the solar panel. These lights also offer USB charging, giving you the option to fully charge your lights in time for a party, an event, or if the weather simply just let you down. You can find the USB-C port on the back of the solar panel. Simply plug in a USB-C cable and charge from as little as 3 hours from flat. These lights feature a dusk sensor, which means they'll turn on automatically after dark. You can test this at home by covering the solar panel to trick the lights into thinking it's nighttime, and the lights turn on. These lights look particularly pretty hung under pergolas or trees. Just make sure they get plenty of sunlight and you're ready to glow. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.